let's make scallop, pumpkin, and sage risotto. Chicken stock is seasoned with paprika and nutmeg, then warmed to a simmer. In a Le Creuset saucepan, melt butter, add dried chorizo, and cook until crisp. Use a slotted spoon to remove the meat and save the butter to saute shallots until tender, then add rice, garlic, and sage. Stir until the rice is translucent, then add a splash of wine and gradually add the stock, stirring until absorbed and repeating. Meanwhile, combine pumpkin puree, mascarpone cheese, lemon zest, salt, and pepper. Whisk until smooth. Back to the risotto, which is now al dente. Add the pumpkin mixture along with parmesan, stir, and add lemon juice to taste. Now let's make a topping by melting butter, adding pumpkin seeds and sage, cook until just brown, then season with salt and paprika. What makes this dish truly special is perfectly seared scallops, cooked in a little butter in a Le Creuset nonstick frying pan and finished with a squeeze of lemon. Serve the risotto with the pumpkin seeds, that crisp chorizo, and a couple of scallops arranged on top. Now that's a beautiful risotto. Bon appetit!